Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show to you the way how to check iPhone storage on your phone. So the device that I use today is iPhone XR, and the things that we need to do first is we just need to visit the settings. You just need to click it, and whenever we open it you just need to scrolling down until we found general. And in this general you just need to scrolling down again until you found a iPhone storage. So you just need to click it to check it. So my phone has 128 gigabyte storage, and I already use 75.4 gigabyte of it. So the phone, whenever you open the iPhone storage, will be start calculating the category sizes, and there will be also some recommendations pop up over here after the analyzing is finished. So we need to wait until the process of analyzing 100 fully or successfully finished on our phone. And here is the result. So as I told you before, that there will be some analyzing of the use of your iPhone storage, as well as the recommendation that you can do for creating or for get more space on your iPhone. So whenever you want to do the recommendation, you just need to go click this part, and after that you just need to confirm it, and you already got extra space for your phone. And you can also analyze the largest application that you use, or take the largest storage on your phone, depends on it uses. So that's the way how to check the iPhone storage on your phone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you, so don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel if you find that this tutorial today is very useful for you. So see you for the next video.